In the heart of a vast, undulating desert where time seems to stand still, the echoes of advanced technology reverberate, breaking the silence. A captivating dance between the timeless and the futuristic unfolds, painting a scene of surreal beauty and innovation. Imagine, if you will, a sleek, sophisticated robot, a marvel of cutting-edge design sitting behind the wheel of a car. Not just any car, but a futuristic vehicle that embodies the spirit of tomorrow, its smooth lines and gleaming surface reflecting the setting sun. As the sun paints the endless desert in hues of gold and crimson, the robot, with an air of confidence, initiates the journey. The car glides effortlessly over the sandy terrain, each turn of the wheel and every shift of gear executed with flawless precision. Clouds of sand rise and fall in its wake, a testament to the unprecedented harmony of advanced technology and raw nature. Each towering sand dune conquered, every expansive flat stretch navigated, reflects the leaps and bounds by which technology advances. Yet, amidst this rapid progress, the timeless beauty of the desert remains, unaltered and untouched. As the journey progresses, the robot, our silent sentinel of the future, carves a path through the desert, leaving behind a trail that speaks volumes of the possibilities that lie ahead. It's a mesmerizing spectacle, a symphony of technology and nature, creating a rhythm that resonates with the promise and potential of the future. As the last rays of the setting sun bathe the desert in a soft golden glow, the car slows to a halt. The journey may have ended, but the echoes of the car's engine and the robot's silent operations linger, a testament to the progress made and the miles traveled. This journey, a blend of the timeless and the futuristic, is more than just a drive through a vast desert. It is a reflection on how far we've come and a glimpse at where we're headed. It symbolizes the harmony that can exist between the relentless march of technology and the enduring beauty of nature. It's a reminder that as we navigate the future, we do not have to leave the beauty of our world behind. As we stand at the edge of tomorrow, let this journey serve as a beacon, illuminating the path ahead. For the fusion of nature and technology does not spell the end of the beautiful and the timeless. Instead, it opens up new horizons, promising a future where the wonders of our world and the marvels of technology coexist in harmony.